Let's see how to make modaks at home. For this, we take a pan, spread it with oil. We're going to make the outer cup of the modak. Let's add 1 cup of rice flour to the pan. To this, we add some salt and nicely mix it. Whilst mixing it, we add a glass of hot water slowly as we keep mixing with one hand and add water with the other. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until the dough comes to a proper consistency and it does not stick with the surface. Slowly you will see that the dough becomes non-sticky, and now we remove this and store it separately. Now it is time to prepare the sweet part of the modak, or the purnam as we call it. For this we take some ghee on the pan. To this ghee we add some jaggery. I have added powdered jaggery as it tends to melt instantly and mixes quickly. As you see now, the mixture of jaggery boils. To this we add a cup of grated coconuts and nicely mix it. We also add some elaichi powder for flavor and nicely saute it, and we would be making small balls out of the sweet part of the purnam. Now we have enough number of balls ready. We now prepare the outer layer and nicely making it into a cup formation. You can see slowly, this has to be done very carefully so that the cup doesn't break. We apply oil in our hands so that there is enough moisture and oil to kind of hold the cup, and inside the cup we place the purnam or the sweet mixture and close it carefully in the form of a modak. These modaks are now ready to be steamed. Now I take an utensil with water and allow the water to boil. Inside this I place a small stand. We place the plate with the modaks inside the tawa and close it. We allow it to boil for half an hour. Modaks are now ready.